Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Most Merciful. Dear students, welcome to our period. Inshallah, we are going to complete our lessons from Unit 8. And this is the third lesson of our unit. Please pay attention with me. Let's start. Please open your lesson book, page 67 and 68. Let's start. In the opener of our lesson, please do as shown between brackets. I use the computer to surf the net. It changes the sentence from active into passive voice. Okay, the answer will be the computer is used to surf the net. Okay. Please open your notebook and let's present the new vocabularies of this lesson. Let's start. The world's climate is changing. Do you think the weather in this land is always rainy or sunny? Is it dry or wet? It's very dry. Many animals and plants died because of the long drought. What is the weather like? What will happen if it rains for a long time? There will be flood. Let's complete. There are many icebergs in the North Pole. Also, there are many icebergs in the South Pole. South Pole. Okay, let's complete. What could happen if the sun heats icebergs in the North Pole and South Pole? Icebergs could melt. There could be more floods. Floods happen when water goes up. Pay attention with me. Many people lose their homes because of floods. Lose is a verb. Okay? Why do you think those people are cross? Cross means very angry. The light bulb is a great invention. Light bulb is a lamp. Okay? It saves energy. This special light bulb is energy saving. Okay? Energy saving is an adjective. Okay? It uses less electricity. It lasts long. Okay? So it's saving energy. What should you do to save energy? Okay? We should put on lights when we need them only. Simply, you can put on lights when you need them. Okay? Put on. Put on is equal to turn on.
Put on.
Simply, you can put on lights when you need them. Put on. The opposite of it is put off. Put off. Please put off lights before leaving. It means turn off. Okay? Now let's make a quick revision on these words again. Drought, drought, drought. It's a noun. The second picture, flood, flood. It's a noun. 3. Energy saving, energy saving. Okay, this lamp is energy saving. Light bulb, light bulb. Okay, an energy saving lamp. Okay, this is the globe. Okay, we can see South Pole, South Pole, South Pole, and North Pole, North Pole. Okay, this man is very angry, so he is cross, cross. Okay, this picture. Okay, put on. Okay, and the opposite of it is put off. What is special about a light bulb? It saves energy. Okay. Now let's go again to page 67 in your student book. Please pay attention with me. Save energy, save the earth. Look at the picture and discuss the questions. This is a light bulb. It's a special one. Do you know why? 2. How many light bulbs have you got in your house? Again, how many light bulbs have you got in your house? 3. Do you ever leave the light bulb on when you are not in the room? Why is that bad? To answer these questions, please, again, pay attention with me. The light bulb is a special one. Why? Because it saves energy. Excellent. Okay. How many light bulbs have you got in your house? Okay. 3. Do you ever leave the light on when you are not in the room? Many of us do that, but it's very wrong. Okay? It wastes energy. And it's bad because it wastes energy. Okay. Turn off that light. Let's go to the to your student book, page 68 again. It's a listening text. Please listen carefully and take the words you hear. Listen and take the words you hear. Let's start.
Tick the words you hear.
Welcome to our science report. Everyone is using too much electricity these days, and this is a big problem. The energy we use is helping to make the world hotter. Scientists know that the icebergs at the North and South Poles are melting. That means there will be more water in the sea. The water might cover some countries, and people could lose their homes. The weather in other places is changing too. In 20 years' time, all the earth will be hotter, but there could be more storms. There might be floods. There could be more droughts. There might be more dust storms in countries like Kuwait. What can we do? This light bulb can help us. It uses less electricity than a normal bulb. It lasts longer than a normal light bulb, but it is more expensive.
Unit 9. Science.
These are the answers. We heard to these words: electricity, sea, energy, scientist, weather, iceberg, and expensive. Let's complete. Let's go to the next exercise or false. Let's start.
Exercise 6. Listen again. True or false?
Welcome to our science report. Everyone is using too much electricity these days, and this is a big problem. The energy we use is helping to make the world hotter. Scientists know that the icebergs at the North and South Poles are melting. That means there will be more water in the sea. The water might cover some countries, and people could lose their homes. The weather in other places is changing too. In 20 years' time, all the earth will be hotter, but there could be more storms. There might be floods. There could be more droughts. There might be more dust storms in countries like Kuwait. What can we do? This light bulb can help us. It uses less electricity than a normal bulb. It lasts longer than a normal light bulb, but it is more expensive.
Now let's check our answers.
But it is more.
Icebergs are only found at the South Pole. Again, icebergs are only found at the South Pole. Cross. 2. There will be more water in the sea soon. Tick or cross? Excellent. Tick. 3. No families will lose their homes. Cross. Many families will lose their homes. 4. The weather is getting colder. Tick or cross? Cross. The weather is getting hotter, according to the audio. 5. There will be more floods. Yes or no? Okay. No. Okay, there won't be more floods. Okay, there might be more floods. 6. There won't be more dust storms in Kuwait. Tick or cross? Cross. There might be more dust storms in Kuwait. Okay, now let's go to speaking skill. Discuss these questions with your friends. Do you think you waste electricity? How do you waste electricity at home or at school? How can you change? What will happen if we don't do anything? For more understanding, please, let me ask you these questions again. Do you think you waste electricity? For me, no, I don't think so. I don't waste electricity. And all of us shouldn't waste electricity. Okay? How do you waste electricity at home or at school? Some of us waste electricity at home or at school. Okay? We can say, I sometimes leave the lights on. I leave the TV on even I don't watch it. Okay, how can you change? Excellent. I will turn the lights off before leaving my classroom. Also, I will turn my computer off when I don't use it. 4. What will happen if we don't do anything? We will waste a lot of energy. We will waste our money.